All right, so this next part, now that we've done example 2, we're going into more information to review. Hopefully you still remember the stuff from earlier math classes. But looking at triangles, we know that lowercase letters are for the sides. So when it comes to a triangle, the lowercase letters are for the sides. So we have side A, side B, and side C. When we have capital letters, we're talking about angles. Capital A, capital B, capital C, those are your angles. So here, lowercase are the sides, capital letters are your angles. Quick and easy, not hard. So when we write it down, we have our big angles here. We have our lowercase letters here. So capital letters, lowercase letters, angles, sides. Now, when labeling them, it's very important that we label it correctly because you can label it and then get correct answers, but then have label it wrong and then do stuff wrong. So let's make sure we label it correctly. So here, when it comes up on this side, we say angle A is across from side A. So I'm going to do an arrow really quickly. So angle A is right here. It's across from side A. Makes sense. Okay, not hard. We got that. Angle B is across from side B. So here, let's not change color. Let's just do this. Right there. So angle B is across from side B. And then angle C is across from side C. And as a reminder here, angle C is going to be the biggest one because it's a 90-degree angle. So that means side C should always be the longest side. So angle C is the one with the square to make it a right angle. It says it's right angle, and then the side the C is across from that. The side C is across from that. Okay. Now another review thing is don't forget Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Pythagorean theorem. Pythagoras. All that great information him. Alright, so again, this is used for right triangles only. So you can't use it for obtuse triangles. You can't use it for acute triangles. It's only for right triangles, for Pythagorean theorem. And it's to help you to find a missing side. But you must have at least two sides in order to be able to use it. So you can't just have one side, like let's say you have A there, and you want to try to find B and C. You can't use Pythagorean theorem. You have to have at least two sides there to be able to use Pythagorean theorem to find the third side. Okay. And then the last thing is don't forget again, when it comes to your triangle, all three angles in your triangle must add up to give you 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C must equal 180 degrees. So if you have A and C, you should be able to like add them up, subtract from 180 to find what B is. So if you have two angles, you should be able to find that third angle really easily. So again, adding all three of them up gives you 180 degrees. All right, so now we're getting ready to go into example 3 using some of this information.